So you guys want to learn how to flip a small account, and I'm talking about $100, $50 to $1,000. It can be in a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Regardless, a lot of people these days don't have the money to flip or to start investing. You know, like an everyday person like me, I only have a couple $100 I can spend. So why not learn how to do it? A lot of people teach you how to trade, but I'm gonna teach you how to actually trade with a small budget. Because at the end of the day, when you learn how to trade with a small budget, when you get to that $1,000, two grand, $5,000, you will become a beast. And I'm gonna teach you by understanding basic market structure, basic price action, and I'm gonna show you my powerful strategy that I use using these powerful methods, meaning the strategy for trading like a pro. So if you guys want to get in my free training course, put your information down below, and I will see you guys soon. Peace and love. Solo, we out. Alright guys, so I'm going to get you some quick information on what's going to basically go down in this free series that I will be teaching you guys once you sign up. So we are going to go over market structure real fast. I'm going to show you what it takes to understand basic market structure. As you see, this is a simple chart that I have. I just have my moving averages set to, one is set to 50 and the other is set to 14. Alright, so now I am only going to take a trade when I see the market start creating higher highs. So let's go ahead and run down our trend line, which is basically this here, right? This is the trend line. I'm starting from the previous high, or the previous higher low, which is basically right here, but you can also start right there as well. And then we're going to wait. So now I'm just going to wait on market to do two things. I'm going to wait on market to come down to this area because this is where the previous low was at, right? So if market comes to this area, I'm going to take it for a buy. Guess what? I would have got in right there, put my stop loss just roughly about 10 pips out, and I would have wrote this 1, 2, 3. And look at that beauty right there. Next time I'm taking a trade is when the market basically comes up to this area and then retest it again. Guess what? Market came back. This is a 15-minute time frame, guys, just to let you know. But market came back and then retested, and then now I'm about to buy again. 1, 2, 3. And look at that. And guys, I'm gonna just keep doing this and keep doing this and keep doing this. Now let's say you got in right here, the market came over here, but you lost. However, if you lost this trade, that's fine, because you're taking 1 to 3 trades, and I'm gonna show you guys in this fit series why it's important to take 1 to 3 trades. All right, so now let's say you got in again because you seen market broke structure, the market came up, retest, and then it gave us another higher low. So guess what I'm doing? I am getting in the market again. Stop loss is roughly 10 pips, 15 pips out, and then we can write this 1, 2, 3, and then bada boom, we got it. Literally took a little minute, but we got it. However, right over here. All right, 1 to 3. Let's go 1 to 3. This isn't 1 to 3. Let's just get you 1 to 3. And as you see, so guys, look at this. You won 3 trades and you lost 1 trade. You would have been profitable, literally, because this is how powerful this is. So if you guys want to literally learn this and learn a few other things, make sure you go ahead and hit that button and put your information down. I will see you guys in a little bit. Peace.